Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very beautiful and unique cable stitch pattern. This is the way it looks like. See, this pattern can be used in your both gents and ladies sweater, scarf, cardigan. See, and this cable is very easy to knit. See, wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all knit on its stitch and purl on purl stitch. You will knit on its stitch and purl on purl stitch for every wrong side rows. So this is only 14 rows repeat pattern. This pattern is made of 9 stitch and this pattern is made of 4 stitch. So 9 plus 9, 13, 13, 13, and then plus 4 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch on both sides. So this is only 14 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast 10 multiples of 13 plus 4 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 19 stitches on my needle, which is 13. I have only one repeat, which is 13 plus 4 extra stitch 17 and 2 edge stitch 19. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4 and knit 9. That's the repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. That's the repeat pattern from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and knit 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. This is the repeat pattern, and you will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have, and after you finish all repeats, for a last 5 stitch, 4 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4 and edge stitch knit on the right side. We have done row 1. Now row 2, and for every wrong side rows you will knit on its stitch and purl on purl stitch. Edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and knit on knit, purl on purl. So we have here 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 knit stitch. That means knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4. And in front purl 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and purl 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. This is the repeat pattern. Knit 4, 1, last 5 stitch, knit 4, 4, knit 4 and edge stitch, and in front purl on the wrong side. Now row 3, we have in row 1 and row 2. Now for row 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8. For these 8 rows, we're going to knit edge row 1 and row 2. So for row 3, knit edge row 1, edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and knit 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. That's the repeat. Purl 4 and knit 9. Last 5 stitch, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4, wrong side, knit on its stitch and purl on purl stitch. Knit on knit, purl on purl. We have 4 knit stitch, that means knit 4, 9 purl stitch, 9, 4, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, and then 4 knit stitch, knit 4. Edge stitch yarn in front, purl on the wrong side. So we have done here row 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now for row 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For these 6 rows, I'm going to repeat row 1 and row 2, right? I'm going to finish this 6th row and then I'll come back on my row 11. So I have finished my row 10 here. Now for row 11, we're going to make this cable. So for row 11, your edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4, 2, 4, purl 4, and from these 9 stitches, first we're going to knit these first 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, first 3 stitches, and here 1, 2, 3. For these 3 stitches, we're gonna do 12 rows of knit rows, purl rows, knit rows, purl rows. We're gonna do 6 rows of knit rows and 12 rows of knit rows and purl rows. So these 3 stitches, first knit 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 row, turn your work and then purl, slip the first stitch and then purl 2. We're going to do 12 rows of these 3 stitches, these 3 stitches. So we have done 2 rows here, turn back again, slip the first stitch. It will give you nice edge, smooth edge. So always slip the first stitch and knit 2. 3, row 3, slip the first stitch always and purl 2. 4, row 4, slip the first stitch, knit 2. 5, row 5, slip the first stitch, purl 2. Row 6, slip the first stitch, knit 2. Row 7, slip the first stitch, purl 2. Row 8, slip the first stitch, knit 2. Row 9, slip the first stitch, purl 2. Row 10, 2 more, slip the first stitch, knit 2. 11, slip the first stitch, purl 2. 12 rows, right? We have done 12 rows here, and turn your work again, and now I'm gonna knit these 3, 1 more row, slip, knit 2, 1 more row, first knit 12 rows and then on the right side knit 1 more row, and now drop these 3 stitches like so and bring this yarn in front, and now I'm going to twist these 3 and these 3 to the left row. I'm going to twist these first 3 to the left row. So first transfer these 3 stitches to your left hand needle, 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to twist. So to twist these 3 to the left way, we're going to we're going to bring these 3 here from the back side. Here from the back side. We're not going to transferring here. First we're going to transfer these 3, right? Leave these 3 here on your right hand needle and transfer this stitch, pick up these 3 stitches, and now knit these 3. 1, 2 and 3. See, that's the repeat. Sorry, and then yes, that's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4 and then this cable. this cable pattern. And your last 5 stitch, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 12, for row 12, knit on each stitch and purl on purl stitch, edge stitch slip, and then knit on knit, purl on purl. Row 13, for row 13, knit edge row 1, edge stitch slip, and start the repeat from here. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, purl 4, knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4, and knit 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Last 5 stitch, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 14, last row, knit on each stitch and purl on purl stitch, slip your edge stitch and start the knit on knit, purl on purl. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 14 rows, row 1 to row 14, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.